Every psychology faculty member has a certain area in which they study. So currently, our faculty members study developmental psychology, that's me. That's working with the understanding and connection of biological, cognitive, and neurological growth, and how that is going to work with the environment to cause different behaviors and how we see change across the lifespan. We also work a lot with understanding how the endocrine system is influencing that process as well. We also have a clinical health psychologist who studies abnormal psychology and clinical psychology, specifically with regard to how people are assisted in a hospital setting and when they have a physical ailment, possibly along with different types of cognitive disabilities. We have a social psychologist who researches human relationships. We have a neuropsychologist who studies animal behavior, and we have a cognitive psychologist who studies sensation and perception in humans. So no matter really what students are interested in, they have a lab where they can fit and find their home. We have individuals studying child psychology and adult psychology, studying experimental psychology, animal psychology, clinical psychology. Those individual students would then work in our research labs as assistants to us as we are moving through our research program. They would help us run our research, and they would also be able to do different side projects for their own research if they start to become comfortable with actually running research independently. We then go with our students to different conferences throughout the year in different parts of the country or even to other countries to present the research that they've been working with us. Student research has many benefits to them. The first of which would just be to understand how the research process goes from start to finish. So to understand how research is conceptualized, then how a study is designed, understanding how to recruit participants or gain subjects in terms of animal research, and then how to adhere very strictly to ethical guidelines on both sides of those, humans and animal research, and then how to put forth their findings afterward by use of different computer programs like SPSS that assist us with statistics that would just take a little bit too long to do by hand. Not that we don't teach them how to do it by hand, we certainly do, but we want to make sure that they can speed that process up a little bit. Then, after they have completed those research projects, it then allows them an opportunity to present their research in public or at different conference settings. Beyond just understanding more about research, our research labs allow us an opportunity for students to get to know their faculty really well so that they cultivate letter writers for graduate schools or for jobs. We can also help them understand a little bit more about themselves so that we know which graduate school would be right for them, which program would be right for them, and which career trajectory would be right for them.